So I ordered this Jack and Jones sneaker a few days ago. I received it today. Jack and Jones, and you can see the color name is Navy Blazer, and it's a very famous shoe from Jack and Jones, a very desired shoe, and you might be knowing about this shoe already. Here are some details from Jack and Jones. So here is the sneaker. Beautiful design. This is Jack and Jones. So this shoe is actually synthetic upper. This is not leather. Neither is this section. These are all man-made synthetic uppers. Even though they are as good as leather, they perform very well against time, and they're very durable. Again, the sole, the midsole and the outsole, it's man-made, it's rubber, and it's flat. As you can see, it's a flat sole shoe. It's a canvas style with a branded insole. So these sneakers are actually used for casual attire. You can use these shoes under your jeans or other casual wear that you like to wear. Definitely they are not formal shoes, and they're not sports shoes either. Overall, they are very beautiful and mid-range shoes, but the brand itself is a very well-known brand, very desired brand in clothing line and in sneakers, and they are doing very good.